Hi everyone, and welcome to Cindy's Certified Recipes. One of our favorite meals is churrasco chimichurri. Churrasco is Portuguese or Spanish for beef or grilled meat. Chimichurri is not traditionally used as a marinade, but to baste the churrasco and then use it as a condiment. It should look like a loose, oil-based dipping sauce rather than a whipped paste, so best made by hand versus machine. Try to make it a couple hours in advance so all those flavors come together. And now I can hardly wait, so let's get going. We're going to start putting together this really nice chimichurri by adding a half a cup of olive oil. This is 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And I like 4 cloves of garlic, and this is all to taste. So you can adjust it as you like it, but I think it tastes best with 4 cloves of garlic. And this is 1 Thai red chili, diced super small. This is 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, 1 teaspoon fresh black pepper, and a big handful, or approximately half a cup, of nice finely chopped fresh parsley. And you just stir that up, and you'll see that it's going to look like a dipping sauce. This is best made in advance, and I made one in advance because I'm going to be grilling the meat here soon, and I'm making a flank steak today because these flavors need to sit and have all of them come together. And you can use this on any meat or fish, chicken, almost anything, even vegetables. It's so versatile. You can make it and put it in the fridge. It keeps for several days. And there is your chimichurri. So we're ready to go grill that meat. Okay, we got our barbecue nice and hot. And we have a nice piece of flank steak here. And we like it rare to medium rare. And so this is not going to be on that grill very long. So let's get it on there. And I like to marinate this in advance, and I will include that marinade in the comment section with the rest of the recipes. Once I turn that, then I will baste it with the chimichurri. Break out our chimichurri and give that a nice basting. The grill is going to flare up a little bit, as you see, because of all that olive oil. If it gets too hot, you can always just turn it down a little bit, depending how you like your meat. Almost there. I'll turn this down just a tad. That's about good for how we like it. I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to baste the other side with the chimichurri. we go. Time to go slice it up. Here's our beautiful churrasco fresh off the grill. I've already sliced it up, and I'm gonna ladle some of this flavorful chimichurri down the middle, and then I will also put this on the table for everyone to enjoy and add as they like. And there is our churrasco chimichurri. Flavorful, versatile, and easy. You'll want to use this chimichurri on everything, and it tastes even better the next day. If you enjoy my videos, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And remember, if it's time-tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.